Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is a long awaited video. As you already read from the title, today's video is going to be a what I got for Christmas video, but there is a twist. I'm going to be revealing, unboxing, and finally showing you guys something very special that I've been waiting for. I got this a few days ago and I really just wanted to share this with you guys because I feel like we all did this together. I feel like, you know, it's a family thing, okay? I have been waiting, like I've been tempted so many times to open this, but I'm like, I have to do it with my family. So today we are going to be opening it up. Can you guys tell I'm excited? Some of you already know what I'm talking about already, and if you do, please go ahead and comment down below. But if you don't, let's get into the video. For those of you who are new, my name is Mercy. I'm an RN BSN, and on this channel I talk about nursing, lifestyle, beauty, vlogging, natural hair. I do a little bit of clean with me, and I just do a little bit of everything. So if you would like to join my family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification so you never miss another one of my videos. Also, if you don't already follow me on Instagram, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram because that is where I post more often. That is also where I make all my announcements, updates, and just any changes with the channel. So if you want to stay updated and up to speed, then please go ahead and follow me on Instagram. With that said, family, I'm not gonna waste any more time because I have been waiting forever. So this is something very special and very important to me. I have been waiting for this, and when I got it, I wanted to open it, but I was like, I have to do this with my family because I feel like we all worked for this, okay? Your comments, your share, your love, your support, and I feel like you guys already know where I'm going with this, but if you don't, continue to watch. I want to get a raw emotion, so I'm gonna be unboxing this with you guys. For the first time, I'm gonna be opening it up and showing you guys exactly what it is. So the first things I'm going to be showing you are my actual Christmas gifts. So I'm the kind of person that you guys know this, if you followed me for a while, you know that my middle name is Frugal Friend. I do not like to spend money on anything. Certain things I don't mind, but certain things I'm like, ugh, I don't want to. So I always try to save my money. I always try to go the discount route, the sale route, the deals route. That's me, that's my jam. But certain things you cannot get on a discount or on a sale because some things don't go on sale. And recently, I think around Christmas time, like right before Christmas, I was complaining that my phone was giving me a lot of trouble because I was gonna do Vlogmas and then my phone started acting up. I'm an Apple girl, first of all, let me put that out there. I'm an Apple girl, so with everything going on, you can't just like go to the Apple store and have them fix your issue. You have to either call them and stay on the phone forever or set up an appointment. And when you do set up an appointment, I feel like you're in a rush because they're trying to rush you out because everybody else has an appointment. Anyway, I started having a lot of issues with my phone, and I have a lot of stuff on my phone that I don't want to get rid of because it came to the point where I was told that I had to reset my phone. Well, if I was going to do that, I was going to lose a lot of data that has already been saved to my phone, like pictures, videos, text messages, just important things that I just didn't want to lose. So long story short, I got a little bag from Apple this year. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to show you in here is my new phone. Alright, so I did start to open this, you can see here, but it's still in here, y'all. I'm still using my other phone. That phone is acting so weird. Like, I've been dealing with this for about, I want to say 3 weeks now, 2 to 3 weeks. It has been so weird. Sometimes my calls will drop. Sometimes I can't take pictures. Most times I can't take pictures or videos. Just a lot of weird stuff. Like my emails won't come through. Somebody would text me and I'll never get the text because when the storage is full on an iPhone, there's nothing you can do. Like there is literally nothing you can do. But anyway, I did get the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Am I saying that wrong? The iPhone 12 Max, like the large iPhone 12, the newest one. This is what it looks like, y'all. It is almost identical to the iPhone 11, but it's larger. Okay, so it still has the 4 cameras. I'm not a tech person, so I'm gonna leave that to the people who are. But this is silver, and then the sides are gold. There's a lot of fingerprints on there. This part is white, and then this I haven't even used this. This is the actual phone. And I can tell you guys a lot more about the features on this phone, maybe in another video, but I'm not a tech person, like I said. I just need my phone to work. A lot of what I do is based on my phone. So like my Instagram, my YouTube, pictures, videos, everything is based on my phone. And I don't always like to carry a camera around because even though I'm a YouTuber, I'm not your typical YouTuber. Like, I'm not pulling my phone or my camera out for every single moment. So I like the phone because it's not bulky. I mean, this is pretty bulky, but compared to a camera, this is a little more sleek. And if I took my phone out in public and wanted to film something, let's say I went to shopping or I went to a restaurant, I don't feel like people are looking at me weird because they might just think I'm on a FaceTime or a Zoom call or anything like that. But with a camera, people are like, whoa, what are you doing? And this is not LA where like YouTubers are everywhere, or Atlanta, or all those big YouTube states. I don't know what states they are. I live in Ohio, and Ohio is just now catching up. But anyway, I got an iPhone 12 Max. I think that's what it's called. Next thing I got here is a computer. So I do have a desktop that I love, 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 love. But if any of you are YouTubers, or if any of you work from home or work by yourself, especially doing YouTube and editing, that can be kind of lonely at times. So I have my office, which this is my office, by the way. And I normally come in here in the morning, like my YouTube days, I like to call them. I come in here, I sit on my computer, and I edit. But it's a desktop, so I have to sit there and edit the whole time. Like, I can't go around the house. I can't go anywhere. If I do, I leave work. So I kind of started feeling a little down about that. So I wanted to have something that is more portable, that I can take around with me and still do my work, right? I didn't want working at home to feel like I'm still working at an office where I'm super into my work until, I don't know, 5 o'clock and then go home. I wanted to feel like I'm still at home. I want to be able to work and be with my family. Anyway, long story short, I did get a computer. So this, again, not a tech person here, but I'm going to try to tell you guys to the best of my abilities. So this is the MacBook Pro 16 inches. This has a lot of storage, which is one of the things I love about it. It has 1 terabyte of storage and it has 16 gigabyte of memory. So this is 2019. It's huge. It's pretty big. I did have one before, but it was, I think, 12 or 13 inches. I've had it for the longest time, and the storage on that thing is super small, so I use that for school. But for YouTube, once again, you have to invest in what you do, and this is what I do full time. So again, I don't like to spend my money unless I have to. So I held back for so long, to the point where I'm like, okay, I cannot sit in that chair for like 10 to 12 hours a day by myself. I need to move around the house. So I got me something that has a lot of storage. It is easy to deal with. It has FaceTime. You can do FaceTime on this. It has the headphone jack. It has the touch bar where you can have like 2 different browser open, and you can touch this one to open it up and then touch the other one to close the other one. I mean, it's super cool. So now I can edit in the bedroom, I can edit downstairs as I'm cooking, and when I feel like I really need to get in that work mode, then I can come to my office, sit there for a few hours and edit. But just on the days where I don't feel like I want to sit at a desk all day, this is perfect. And I can also travel with this. I can, you know, do schoolwork on here, like the storage and the memory on here. Awesome. All right, so I worked my butt off all 2020 to be able to get me something that just makes my work a little easier. All right, so moving on to the actual reason we are here. So you guys know that we recently hit 1 million subscribers. So here's the issue. YouTube is supposed to recognize that you've hit 1 million subscribers and send you something special. Okay, you guys already know where I'm going with this. But 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, nothing. I don't get an email. I don't get nothing in the mail. I don't get anything. So I'm like, okay, did they forget about me again? Because the same thing happened last time when I hit 100,000 subscribers. So I emailed them and I'm like, okay, I hit 1 million subscribers and I've actually passed that. So they're like, okay, what is the link to your channel? What is your channel name? Blah, blah, blah. So I'm like, okay, I give it to them. So this was about a week and a half before Christmas. So they verified my channel. They sent me an email with my code in it. So they send you the code. You go to the website, put in your code, and then you can claim your prize. So it's kind of like a voucher, or I don't know how to explain it, but you have to have a specific code, and YouTube deals with codes a lot. So even when you get monetized, they send you something in the mail and you have to go and set up your Google AdSense account to be able to get paid. Same thing when you get your plaques. So I'm like, okay, so I go and do it, and I'm waiting for 3 weeks. So literally a day before Christmas, I get this in the mail. Oh, this is big. So this is my 1 mil YouTube plaque. I haven't opened this. I've been waiting for this moment because, like I said, I feel like we all earned this together. So see, it has the tape and everything on it. It hasn't been opened. I have been wanting to open it, but I just wanted to do this on camera with you guys because I feel like it's ours. All right, so I have a pair of scissors here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the tape. All right, family, so I have the plaque here. We're gonna go ahead and open it. All right, family, we're getting in here. I feel like I'm gonna break the box, but oh well. Let's see. Let's cut here too. I think I got it. Hold on. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh my God. All right, family, so this is our baby. This is huge. It's bigger than what I thought. So this is the card that comes with it. This is usually the person who packages your award. They normally leave their card in there. And then this is from the CEO of YouTube. I'm not going to read this. I'm going to take a screenshot and I'll give you a few minutes to read it. But yes, this is very emotional. So I feel like I'm going to get emotional if I try to read it. So I'm not going to read it. So there is that. And then this is our baby. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. See, it still has the wrap and everything on it. And it's pretty heavy. So let me show you guys what the 100K looks like. This is the 100K plaque. That's upside down. Whoa. So this is the 100K plaque, right? And look how much bigger the million one is. I just wanted to do that little comparison so you guys can see. It is a lot bigger, but look what it says. It says, presented to Mercy Gono BSNRN for passing 1 million subscribers. You guys. So I'm going to go ahead and take the wrap off. Wow, this is huge, guys. Oh, look at that. And I already have my fingerprints on it. But this is gorgeous, y'all. Look at this. I'm gonna go ahead and lean it like that so I don't continue to blind you guys. But this is what I've been waiting for, y'all. This came the day before Christmas, and I felt like it was literally meant to be. I don't normally do these kind of videos because I kind of don't like the vibe of them, because it comes off a little show-offy, if that's a word. But this was the real reason I wanted to do this video. I wanted to open this with you guys to really share the moment with you guys. You guys know that I am a very emotional person, but I'm not gonna cry today. I'm not gonna do it, y'all. I'm not gonna do it. New year, new me. Until next month when I start crying again. But for this video, I will not be crying. I just want to be able to get my point across. Thank you guys once again. If I haven't said it enough, you guys don't know what this means to me. I am so grateful, so humbled, and so thankful to you guys. I just pray that you guys see and feel the gratitude that I have for you guys. I thank you for riding with me. I thank you for being here. I thank you for everything, y'all. The likes, the comments, the sharing of my videos. I deeply appreciate you guys. And I just really wanted to take this moment to share this with you guys. 2021 is here. We have dreams and hopes and goals, and I hope and pray that each and every one of us achieve our dreams, our wish, and our goals. Thank you guys again so much for all your love and support. This is 2021. Like I said, we have a lot more fun contents coming your way. We have some natural hair videos, we have some feminine hygiene, nursing videos. Yes, the nursing videos are coming back. I didn't forget about you guys. We are going to be doing a little bit of everything, as we always do. So please, if you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification so you never miss another one of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.